help you pull the truck out, won't it? Oh dear. Just let you know, I'm very, very slow. That's what you notice, because my lower back went ping, starting the hedge cutter up on the floor here, on the step. And I've been like it about 3 days now. It's extremely painful. I can't walk. And I got something in my foot. Stood on something I can't see to get it out. So hobbling all the time. The chainsaw, yeah. If you pull the truck out, put it back in, it bogs down, let it warm up first, then it's okay. Then put the rest on, then it's alright. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for listening to the chainsaw. Bye.